Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best plasma cutters on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is PrimeWeld Cut500 Plasma Cutter. The PrimeWeld Cut500 is one of the best rated plasma cutter models on the market. It is well built, with professional quality precision, but comes with a budget-friendly price that makes it even more attractive. This unit has a compact design that is lightweight, with an ergonomic handle to make it easy to carry with you anywhere you need it around your home workshop or on the road to job sites. The Cut500 is also versatile, cutting stainless steel, mild steel, alloy steel, copper, aluminum, and a variety of other metals. The 50-amp digital air inverter can cut pieces up to ½ an inch with a maximum severance thickness of 3/4 inch quickly and cleanly. A control knob on the front of the unit lets you adjust the output current to alter the intensity of the cut, which is a necessity for more detailed cuts. Another great feature this budget plasma cutter has to offer is the dual voltage capability. This allows you to run the unit on either 220 volt or 110 volt power without the need for an adapter, so you can use it anywhere you go. This model also includes DC inverter technology, which will automatically convert DC to AC when needed. Number 2. Our second best pick is Suncoo Cut50 Plasma Cutter. Though the instructions that come with the Suncoo Cut50 aren't very helpful, this unit is still relatively easy to use, especially if you look up the proper way to do so before you get started. It is built well, using heavy-duty materials, but it is still light enough to make it portable. There is no proper top handle, though a shoulder strap is included to make it easier to carry around. On the front of the unit are the controls, including an adjustment knob with a 20 to 50 amp range and an LED digital display for the current being used. Front and rear exhaust fans take care of the heat dissipation, reducing the temperature of the machine as it runs to prevent damage to all the components and increase the unit's lifespan. Other safety features include overvoltage protection and overcurrent protection. This unit is dual voltage compatible, which means that it automatically adapts to both 110 volt and 220 volt without requiring an adapter. This makes it more convenient to use on a variety of job sites as well as being a quality plasma cutter for home use. Number 3. Our third best pick is Lotos LTP8000 Plasma Cutter. If you're looking for the best plasma cutter under $1,000, the Lotos LTP8000 is a good one to check out. It's easy to use, with a variety of great features, though it does lack the dual voltage found on several other plasma cutter models. It is a bit heavier, too, but the dual handles make it easy to carry around if you need to use it on the road. This unit uses a MOSFET transistor that gives you a clean cut on thin metal, while also reaching higher power output levels for fast cutting through thicker metals as well. With the combination of the MOSFET and the pulse width modulation, you get an even, concentrated current on whatever surface you're using. The LTP8000 can cut through stainless steel, mild steel, alloy steel, aluminum, and copper. The included pilot arc torch can even be used on painted, rough, or rusty metals without a lot of slag. This Lotos plasma cutter uses compressed air, so you don't need to work with any hazardous gases. A pre-installed D-plug and air filter regulator connect right to your air compressor's standard coupler. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hypertherm PowerMax 30 XP Hand Plasma System. The Hypertherm PowerMax 30 XP is not a cheap plasma cutter, but it is built to last, making it worth the higher cost in the long run. It is also easy to use and comes with everything you need to get started, plus a few extras for added convenience. This plasma cutter is compact and lightweight, so you can use it almost anywhere. The auto voltage technology and the included adapters let you plug it into any outlet with either 120 volt or 240 volt to run this handy unit. The PowerMax 30 XP is versatile, with a 2-in-1 design that lets you do some high-power cutting on a variety of thicker metals as well as some fine cuts for more detailed work with cleaner edges. Included with this unit is the Duramax LT torch, which is designed to be heat and impact resistant. This piece is also much more efficient than other models since consumables last twice as long as usual. The hand torch has an ergonomic design and a comfortable grip. The output is adjusted using a simple knob on the front of the unit. It turns to the right for 110-volt power and to the left for 220-volt, so be sure to figure out which you're using before you get started. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Hobart Airforce 27i Plasma Cutter. The best plasma cutter for the money needs to be built well, with great features that are easy to use, even for those who are just starting with this type of tool. The Hobart Airforce 27i does have a high price tag, though what it has to offer may make it well worth the cost. This plasma cutter has a simple design and a compact body but is made using quality materials that will last for years. This includes heavy gauge steel, aluminum, and even fire-resistant plastic for the wiring. Despite these durable parts, this unit is still lightweight and portable, with an ergonomic, heat-resistant handle on top. To get started with this plasma cutter, all you need to do is plug it in and connect the compressed air supply. Then ground the workpiece, pull the trigger, and start cutting. The dual voltage compatibility allows you to use either 120 volt or 240 volt, whichever is available, without adding an adapter to the plug. The Hobart Airforce 27i has an adjustable amperage that allows you to cut different types of metal with one machine. This includes steel, aluminum, and much more. You can also cut metal that is 3/8" or severe 5/8" steel plate with ease. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.